Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Now I want to tell about Lembah Pelangi Waterfall. Lembah Pelangi Waterfall sounds unfamiliar for either local or foreign tourists. Lembah Pelangi Waterfall is located in Sukamaju Village, Bulu-Bulu Subdistrict, Tanggamus District, Lampung Province, Indonesia. The access to this place is quite difficult because Bulu-Bulu Subdistrict is a remote area in Lampung with its hilly contours, which make this tourist spot elusive. Lembah Pelangi Waterfall has two levels, where the waterfall on the second level has two branches. The height of the first level waterfall is about 100 meters, while the second level waterfall is about dozen of meters. The best enchantment of this waterfall is the rainbow, which appears between the valley and the waterfall, as the name suggests. The soft-flowing, gurgling waterfall sound is like a chant of nature, which can remove the tiredness of the long trip to go there. Under the waterfall, there are several spots of warm water, which can be an interesting spot for bathing. In this place, you will be shown a panorama of natural beauty, which is very interesting for every pair of eyes seeing it. Rocky hills, accompanied by leafy trees, will actually suit both your eyes. Okay, I think enough about Lembah Pelangi Waterfall. If there are any mistake, you can correct me. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.